Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a World of Warcraft add-on using an easy method. First, understand that an add-on is a collection of files that modify your game interface. Begin by creating a dedicated folder for your new add-on within the World of Warcraft add-ons directory. This keeps your project organized. You will also need a basic text editor to write your code, which is a straightforward first step. Next, you will create the core files for your add-on. Every add-on needs a talk file, which acts as a table of contents, telling the game about your add-on and its associated files. Then, create a Lua file where you will write the actual code. For a simple start, add a line of Lua code to print a Hello World message directly into your in-game chat window. To make your add-on interactive, you can add user interface elements. This often involves creating an XML file to define visual components like frames and buttons. You can specify their size and exact position on the screen. Then, use Lua code to link functions to these buttons, allowing your add-on to respond when a player clicks them, creating a dynamic experience. Finally, it is time to test and share your new add-on. Move your entire add-on folder into the World of Warcraft add-ons directory, typically found within the interface folder. Launch the game and test your add-on extensively to ensure everything works as intended and to fix any issues. Once satisfied, you can share your add-on with other players, contributing to the vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.